Hey everybody, it's Paul here from Better Call Paul. It's Saturday. I got my crazy concert t-shirt on. I'm so excited about everything that's been going on recently. My portfolio's been growing like crazy. Passive income's been growing like crazy. I'm almost at $10,000 a month. That's in Canadian dollars. That's a lot of money for me. And if you're interested in learning on how I got to this point, then maybe this might be a video for you. I'm going to cater this towards our American friends. I'm going to go over one of my favorite US listed ETFs. So, guys, in case you don't already know, that is TSPY. Now, I know it's not as exciting as Alti and YMAX and some of the other ones that's been, everybody's been talking about recently. But I have to say that I think you have to have some foundational ETFs in your portfolio. You don't only want the ones that are going to be high risk with like vastly fluctuating distributions weekly, monthly, right? You want some consistency. You want that, like the foundation of your house. Okay, guys? So let's just take a look at this. I don't want to make the video too long, but we are going to go through a couple of screens. All right, guys, so the first screen is TSPY, TappAlpha SPY Growth and Daily Income ETF. So the objective, TappAlpha SPY Growth and Daily Income ETF seeks current income while maintaining prospects for capital appreciation. So guys, I love that, right? We want income and we want appreciation. The fund seeks secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the performance of the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust SPY. All right, let's take a look at the next screen, guys. So TSPY is a Fintech Powered ETF designed to capture the S&P 500 performance and daily potential income generation. Okay, so Fintech Powered refers to the use of advanced financial technologies to enhance, enable, and deliver our financial products and services. Guys, what I like about this particular ETF is the founder and CEO is not a financial guy. Okay, he's a computer guy, right? He's a technology guy, and he's created a system, a program that can purchase these options for him, and it does it more efficiently than than a person can actually do. So the fund aims to achieve these objectives, right? Growth, direct exposure to the largest and most liquid index tracking ETF. So everybody knows that the S&P 500 sets the standard, right? That's the bar that everybody's trying to beat. You should have some exposure to it. Income generation. Our strategy identifies and analyzes various dynamic parameters, increasing the potential for consistent additive income generation. Okay, they're maximizing the time decay. By writing call options each trading day that expire the same day, TSPY seeks to capitalize on the rapid time decay inherent to zero DTE option positions. Okay, guys, reduce time risk. The daily expiration of the options minimizes prolonged market exposure, seeking to reduce unfavorable shifts in the underlying security. And flexibility. As the market conditions change, so do the fund's positions, offering the best chance to participate in both the underlying securities performance and simultaneous harvesting of daily option premiums. You guys, let's take a quick look at this one here. So just to summarize again, why are we investing in TSPY? Okay, so benchmark participation, right? So we aim to participate in the S&P 500 growth via SPY. Okay, number two, high income potential. It sells daily zero DTE options with the goal of generating high levels of income. Now, for me personally, number two is the most important. Okay, number three, enhanced return potential. So they seeks to capture returns that are longer dated covered call strategies may sacrifice. And fourth is reduced volatility. Aims to reduce volatility and account for risk with execution. Okay, guys, I hope you're still with me because this next slide is very important. Everybody wants to know how these covered call ETFs or how these products, these income funds are going to how they're going to perform in different markets. So here TSPY is showing you. In a bear market, they're going to outperform. Okay, in a flat market, they're going to outperform. In a moderate bull market, they're going to outperform. In a bull rally, they're going to underperform. For me, that's pretty good. 3 out of 4, they're going to outperform. And remember, at the end of the day, we're looking to generate income. Okay, guys, lastly, I always like to be transparent and show you guys exactly what I have. So here is TSPY. Hasn't been out for 5 years. It's only been out for about a year, but you can see that it is in the green, so it hasn't lost money yet. So, we're saying that there's no NAV erosion. For me personally, I'm at 480 shares. You can see here, so my average price is 24.38. Okay, I plan on bringing this up to 500 shares. I would buy more, but TappAlpha is coming out with another fund in September, and I'm going to start buying that fund instead. So I'll have both. All right, guys. So that's it for today. We're talking about TSPY from TappAlpha. They finally hit 58 million in assets under management. I forgot to mention this one pays a 14% yield. If you look at the distributions, they're very consistent, approximately 28 to 29 cents every month. So for me, this is definitely a must-have in your portfolio. People were buying JEPI, then they kind of switched to SPY. Personally, I think this one is better than both. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.